Welcome to Quick Tailoring mobile app and web portal. This is very great solution designed for complete end-to-end tailoring business management. Now benefit is that we can use this app and web application from any device, whether you are Android user or you are using iPhone or iPad or you want to access it from Windows, laptop or PC using the browser. Just small need is that you need to be connected with the internet. Now, here is the login screen and let's try to create a new user. For that, we shall click on this register option. Now, here we should enter some random details. Let's feed some details. Now, here you can add your business name. Now, I am entering one random email ID for a demo account setup. After that, you can select your country. Now, specify the email and mobile number. Let's enter some random password. Now trying to click register. Now here we should enter username. Username is I am making the same as my mobile number. Now let's try to register here. Now to authenticate you are a valid user, you will receive WhatsApp based OTP. Now I am just checking my WhatsApp. Now I am having one OTP. So I am entering that. Just click a submit. So now our registration activation done successfully. So let's enter our email ID and username for the login purpose. Now, for now, I have entered as a username same as my mobile number. So logging right now. So this is the welcome screen of our mobile app. Now, here is the top three routine life items. First is the dashboard. Second is the category. And third is your profile. Now here you can modify each and everything. You can upload your business icon or logo or image. Okay, you can change your password. You can use different options as per your requirement. So let's jump into the demo. So in tailoring business, first of all, we should create all the measurements which we are taking. So here, let's try to create one simple basic example of men's tailor. So in the master menu, here is the measurements. Let's click this measurement. Now, clicking the plus icon here. So when I click plus icon, here measurement name option will come up. So for now, I am entering, let's assume shirt length. You can type in any language which Google supports, like Gujarati, Hindi, Arabic, Russian, any language you can use here. Clicking save. So my saved record appear here in left side. Now let's try to add few more measurements. Coat length, saving it. Now I am entering, for example, Sherwani length, saving it. After that, I need to take chest. After that, we shall add, for example, we are taking customer shoulder. Now, sleeves might be half sleeves also and full sleeves also. So here we can type like full sleeve and clicking save. After that, we should add here half sleeve. So this way you can enter all the required measurements. For demo, I'm entering few sample measurements only. Let's try to create for the bottom items also, like pant length. After that, length, waist, clicking save. Then for example, I need thighs and bottom. So this is the measurements we have created. Now Here is the list. Whenever you want to do any kind of modification, just click the item here and click the edit option. You will be able to change the details. So this is the way where you can do the needful for the measurements. Now going back, to go back, here is the back icon. The same layout you will be able to use in your iPad and Android mobiles. After creating measurements, let's create a tailoring item. So fourth option is the tailoring item. For now, I am entering three items only. Shirt, let's assume my shirt stitching price is 1000. For an example, random amount. If you are taking GST also, you can feed here 5% as a GST or weight or any tax. Shirt is created. After that, I am creating quote, entering some random value. At the time of order, we will be surely able to change this rate. So no worries and no compulsion need to feed rate here. After that, let's create a pant. Let's assume pant stitching charge is 1500. So three items is created in left side. Now what we need to do, we need to assign which measurements are required to prepare a shirt. So here is the middle icon having the signage of measurements. Let's click on that. When I click that, all the measurements which we have created appeared here. So here is the, for shirt making, I need shirt length, I need chest, I am making half and full both sleeve shirts. Okay, so these are my basic parameters I can select in this way. Now just click save. So measurements assigned to the shirt. After that, let's select the measurements for the pant. Again, selecting the measurement tape icon. For pants, which measurements I need? I need a pant length, waist. You can see the red tick mark is happening here. Okay, so these four items we need, these four measurements we need to create a pant or to stitch a pant. This is the demo account only. You can create this, you can use this app for both men's and women's studio. Like you can create blouse, gowns, chanya choli, any kind of items you can create here. So this is the basic simple idea I have given for the creating the tailoring item. After that, very important point is the style. Last third is the style option. When I click this style, what is style? Whenever we are taking measurement of any client, customer may tell us I need this kind of pocket, I need this kind of collar, this kind of sleeves. Okay, so this we call as a style. So just clicking the plus icon. Now, which item we are going to prepare style? Okay, for shirt, let's assume we prepare a style. So here selecting the shirt. Now, what is the style name? Let's assume style name is my collar. Now here I should add values for the collar. So for example, one is the regular collar. Let's assume just we need to separate by comma, then Chinese collar or standing collar or pointed collar. As many as value options are there, you can prepare it by separating comma. Just clicking save. So under the shirt, color is the style and three options will be there. So at the time of taking order, you can select which type of color customer is needing. After that, let's create sleeves. For example, first of all, we need to select the shirt, then sleeves. Whether customer need half sleeve shirt or full sleeve shirt. So we should create in this way. So it is appearing in this way, collar and sleeves. Now for shirt, what type of bottom he need? So I selecting the bottom, for example, apple cut or round cut or side cut. So whatever the styles are there, we can feed it here. So this type of different bottoms are created for the shirt. Similarly, let's create for the pant also or trouser. So pant, what type of style? For example, pleats. So one pleat, two pleat, or no pleat. Okay. So this is the styles created for the pant also. In the pant, we should select how many back pockets customer wants. So just entering here back pockets one or two. Then we can prepare style for the press. For example, whether he need side press or whether he need front press. It means ironing side or front. So this way you can create styles for all the items. Similarly, for the coat, if you want to prepare, let's try to give you one example so you can have clear idea. Button, whether customer needs one button coat or two button coat or three button coat or no button coat. Okay, so this is the thing required when we are creating the coat or blazer. Now, type of pocket, for example, in coat preparation, pocket style. So flap pocket required or flap pocket required or ticket pocket required or turned pocket required. Which style of pocket is required? So now these two styles are created for these things. Similarly, you can select the vent also. For example, vent, side vent or center vent or no vent. So this way you can add as many as styles. Now the beauty of the software is that this is completely dynamic software. So whatever items you are stitching, you can prepare measurements, names and styles for that. Further, when you want to add some image, just click on that item and edit it. You can browse the image, how Chinese collar looks exactly. So for each and every styles, you will be able to fit the images also. So this is the beauty of our software. Now jumping to the customers. So customer is heart of our software or our business. So let's try to create one customer. So here is the customer. Now clicking the plus icon here, I am entering my sample name. Okay, you can select mobile number. Now in our business, it is very important. Who is he? So for example, friend of Amit, let's assume. Okay, you can take customer's address. You can select the state also here, country, taxation, birthday. Let's assume I want to add my birthday. Okay, so how it is very easy. Okay, you can select any date range here. Okay, after that, I'm just selecting the random values date. Okay, so this is the sample value I have added. This way you can select the customer's birth date and anniversary date. Okay. And after selecting, if you want to erase it, it is very much easy. Here is the cross sign, red mark. You can click it. After that, you can save. So your customer is saved now. Okay. After saving the customer, here you can see the measure tape icon. Why it is there? To get to record your customer's measurement. So here we are replacing complete our old typical style of taking measurements on books and papers. We are going to make tailors 100% digital. So it will give awesome professional image on your clients. So you will become totally different than other competitors in your market. So let's try to take measurement of this client. Clicking the measurement icon. Now the main thing is that all measurements which we have listed initially appeared here. Now, if customer is in a hurry and if you want to take measurements of only coat, then you can select that item. Otherwise, you can take complete full body measurement. So I am entering some random measurements. I am not aware of the exact values. Just entering random values. So this way, very easy way, you will be able to take customers' measurements. Right. Along with that, you can feed some knots also here. Like I need a comfort feed. Okay. Full sleeves. Okay. For example, slim kind of look I need. Okay. Paint, I need a straight appearance. So this kind of knots you can optionally add. Okay, bottom I need turned bottom. Okay, so this is the beauty of this app. Instead of writing all these things, system appearing all this data for you. And here you can see this icon of type of clock. What is that? So it is for the history. Today you are taking my measurement. After a few months, if I am coming, all my previous measurement in front of you. As per my body changes, you can update it, or as per style, you can update these things. So as many times I come into your store and you are taking my measurements, when I click this history button, okay, software will show me date wise history. In 2019 this is your waist, in 2021 this is your length. So date wise histories you will be able to see, right? Now, after taking measurements, beside that there is the order icon. So once you click the order icon, now here itself you can create the customer's order, right? Now let's try to show me order creation from the another screen. So we have seen the measurements, tailoring items, customers, and styles. These things we have checked till now. Now let's create order. Before that, we need to select or we need to create what are the payment modes we are using. So this is the payment mode. Let's assume I am accepting amount by the cash. Okay, then I can select the cash here. Okay, or for example, my bank name is Axis Bank. Okay, you can optionally add some your regular details. So this is basic details I am entering. What is the type of my account? IFSC. Okay, so this is your payment mode created now here. So Axis Bank is my payment mode. Similarly, you can create cash or other any kind of payment modes from here. Okay, now I am entering, for example, Google Pay. Axis Bank which we have created, that is for your card swiping, assuming that. Okay, and this is for my Google Pay swipe. Okay, so this is the sample. So as many as payment modes we are using, we can mention here. Now let's create one order. So here is the order in master. Below that there is the order icon. Let's click the order plus icon. We should click order date. Today's date is appearing. Whatever the customers are there, it is listed here. You can search them by name and mobile number. Or if any new customer, then you can directly click the plus icon and customer master screen will appear. Okay. So let's select this customer. Here is the trial date and delivery date. Let's assume this customer needs trial also. So if I entered 5 days, it means 7 plus 5, 12 is my trial date. And if I enter here 20 or 15 as my delivery days, so automatically 7 plus 20, 15, 22 is my delivery date. Now, in the bottom right side, there is the add item option. So we should click that add item option. Okay, so order items add option will come up. Here we should select what customer want to stitch with us. Let's assume I want shirt. How many quantity? One or two. I can type or I can directly use this very quick useful plus and minus icons. After that, rate which we have specified in item creation appeared here. Certainly we can change the rate as per need. Remark, you can add some remark like black, half sleeve, and blue, for example, full sleeve. So this kind of remark you can feed here. Whatever the fabric remarks, if you want to add, okay, wash and use, you can type some remarks also here. Along with that, you can take photographs of customer styles, some sample reference designs, or any other items which you directly select from your computer, or customer can share it to you by WhatsApp. Whatever the thing is there, you can add multiple images here for this particular two sets. It might be regarding fabric, it might be relevant to designs or style specification. Now, two quantity is there. Okay, now what is the style? So we should click this bottom red icon, style and knots button. So whatever styles we have created for the shirt appeared here in right side. So sir, what type of collar you need? He says, sir, I need pointed collar. Okay, fine. Click it. How? What is the sleeve styles? He says that I need a full sleeve. What type of bottom you need? He says that I need apple cut bottom grid. So just click OK. Then click item, add item into the order by clicking this blue button. So this one item is added in our order. Similarly, we can add one more item. Let's add pant or trouser. How many trousers we need? Two. Let's keep at is its style for the pant. I need two pleats pant or one pleat pant. Okay. Then one back pocket or two back pocket. I need front ironing. Okay. And add it to the order. So two items is added in my order. Right. Now here is the discount. You can specify discount in terms of percentage also, in terms of amount also. So 4600 is my amount is being displayed. Now, along with that, you can feed here some long remarks as per the order. So this is remark line 1. Okay, and you can add some more lines as per your requirements. Now you can capture the photo of fabric of your customer or any designs. Reference images. Line item wise images are there as well as order wise image option is also there. So if you want to click fabric swatch, fabric photographs here, then you can take it on your printouts also. Similar to our traditional bill copy, traditional order copy where we are stapling fabric small samples. Now let's save this order. So our order is saved. So this order is appeared in this left side. All orders which are we are going to prepare here, it will appear here, and you can use this magnifier icon, search icon to search any order by the order number, name or mobile number. Fine. After that, here is the print icon. When we click the print icon, automatically customers order copy and measurement slips can be printed out. Okay. Beside that, there is the receipt icon. 4600 is order amount, but customer is paying me 2000 as an advance. Then how to do that? So here is the receipt icon. Just click it. Okay. And what is the receipt date? What is the payment mode? Customer is making payment as by Google Pay, let's assume. So this is the payment mode which we have created before creating the order. Now, what is the receipt amount? 2000. Some descriptions if you want to add, then here is the description. Let's save it. So 2000 is my received amount, 2600 is my due amount, and order amount is 4600. So this way we should create orders in this quick tailoring mobile app. Going to the back and let's jump to the dashboard. So in this dashboard, total customer is 1. Out of that, 1 is created today. Total orders are 1. Out of them, 1 is created today. Total receipt amount is 2000. All further details are there in app for complete end-to-end tailoring business management, workers work allocation, work completion, delivery management, customers history, pending payment collections, birthday reminders, birthday wishes, WhatsApp communication. Lots of exciting and useful features are covered in this quick tailoring app. This is the first sample demo which we are providing to you. We hope you like this video, and for the demonstration, feel free to contact us, and this is our contact details 9727001838. On this number you can call and WhatsApp for the demonstration and the trial run. Thank you very much.